Morgan Charrier is going to fight Chepe Mariscal. Charrier destroyed Manolo Zecchini via body kicks, and this was a great UFC debut for Morgan Charrier, the last pirate. Excellent fighter out of French, fighting out of Mantua, Jolie, France, and he's 5'8", 69 inches of reach. Chepe Mariscal has brutal wrestling, 5'7", 69 inches of reach. Tremendous judoka with great catching, great grappler. He was better than Trevor Peek and Jack Jenkins. He destroyed Guilherme Faria. The guy is so brutal on the ground. Lost to Sean Soriano and Steve Garcia, but I think this is a nightmare matchup for Charrier because Charrier is a top-notch striker, but if Mariscal grabs you, that's going to be a big problem, and it's very, very hard to push him away. Mariscal is a top-notch judoka, grappler, wrestler. I think this is a nightmare matchup. I'm going to say the fight will not go the distance, but I have a feeling Chepe Mariscal gets the job done.